Just can't seem to catch a bloody break. Things in here ain't looking too bad though. Plenty of tomatoes ready to pick. Gonna go through and pick a few of these today, I think. And a few more of the chilies. But main focus on today's video is going to be this onion. It's not really doing much now. Top's folded over, which is a sign that it's stopped growing. And it's what I'm going to do, is harvest it anyway, tidy it up and see what it looks like. Give it a weigh in. So I was hoping this would have gone a couple more weeks, grown a bit more, but like I said, top's died off, it's folded over. Don't want to lose it, don't want to risk losing it, so what I'm going to do, get these stakes out. I'll measure around the diameter, I think, is it? Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but it's definitely the biggest one I've grown so far. We'll get it pulled out, get it weighed, get it measured and see what we're dealing with. Right then guys, so first thing I'm going to do is measure around the perimeter. Try and get it at roughly in the middle of it there. And I'm just going to pinch where it reaches. And I've got the tape measure set out here. And it's reading just over 23 inches. So that's a good 4.5 inches bigger than my other personal best, and it's definitely the biggest one I've ever grown. So I'm just going to dig away some of the dirt from around the side. Try not to damage it. I'll just shake as much of this dirt off as I can. I want to try and keep a bit of the root ball on there. Don't want to break it at the bottom here. That is quite a big onion. I am very happy with that. Considering it's only grown in a 20 litre pot, had I put it in a bigger pot, probably would have got quite a bit bigger, but as you can see. Right, get the scales out, get it weighed. If anyone wants to take any guesses, drop them down in the comments. But it's definitely bigger than the other one. Not entirely sure if these scales are up to taking it. I need to get some of the ones that you can just hold and weigh it like that. But these are the best scales we've got in the house at the moment. This So I've set that to kilograms. It's on 0. And I'll leave the top on to weigh this one. Just make sure there's no chunks of soil under there. .829. Yeah. 2.289. No. 2.8. £6.2. There we go. Happy with that. Very happy with that. That's £6.2. Just to make sure it goes back to 0. Just sit on there properly. There you go. Really happy with that. Right then guys, that's it from me today. Just like to say a massive thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for next year, as we've got a lot planned and hopefully we'll get much bigger than that. Very happy with that, considering it's been grown in a 20-litre container. Yeah, a new personal best. £6.2, 23 inches in diameter. That's quite good. There it is, all cleaned up and hopefully drying out nicely there in the shed. I'm very happy with that. Right then guys, that is it for this video today. Just like to say thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, please do hit the subscribe button and follow along for more content. Bye for now.